If you have low or lowish testosterone on a blood exam, but you don't experience any typical low T symptoms, do you still advise to get on TRT?
We will treat a guy, depending on age, for several reasons. And one of them is objectively low. If you are deficient, look, if you have osteoporosis, but you haven't fallen down and broken a bone yet, should you address your osteoporosis? If you have hypertension, but you're not getting headaches and you're not in renal failure, should you treat your hypertension? We don't wait for the motor to blow up before we change the oil. This is called preventative maintenance. It's called prophylactic approach to healthcare. And if you are deficient somewhere and you had an opportunity to assess and diagnose that correctly, fix it now. Are you wanting to wait for things to break? Are you wanting to wait to become symptomatic and then there's no guarantee you'll go back to where you were because the damage has been done? Why are you waiting for wear and tear to occur? You have a rust spot on your car, sand it down, paint it. Don't wait for it to spread. Fix your low testosterone now. And be thankful that you had an opportunity to catch this 10 years before you're symptomatic and not 10 years after you've lived in a state of low T.
Consider becoming a channel member for exclusive features, like loyalty badges, early access to new videos, funny stuff like rough cuts and bloopers, members only photos and status updates on the community tab, and members only live stream chat. On desktop, use the join button next to the subscribe. On mobile, use the join link in the description.